Saan?
Unsa to?
When I wake up in the morning, love, and the sunlight hurts my eyes, and something
Karon nga naog na ako.
bears heavy on my mind. Then I look at you,
Bohol Bee Farm.
and the world's alright with me. Just one look at you, and I know it's gonna be a lovely day.
Me, today, I stand before you with a heart overflowing with gratitude. From the moment you came into my life, you've been my greatest blessings, my comfort, and my home.
Dee, when we first introduced, I never imagined how much you would change my life. I promise to love you with the same patience and distance taught us.
Marty, do you take Steve here present to be your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Steve, do you take Marty here present to be your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
For 21 years, nindot na to kaayo. Naanamoy anak, nahiluna na mo, naanamoy trabaho, mas mo nindot pa ni karon kay painiton pa sa grasya sa Ginoo ang inyong gugma sa usag-usag.
I vow to cherish you as my wife, to respect you, to honor you, and to remain faithful to you all the days of my life.
And I will vow for the rest of my life, I will never stop choosing you.
Give me your attention, baby. I gotta tell you a little something about yourself. Well, you're wonderful, flawless, ooh, you're sexy, lady. Don't you walk around here like you wanna be someone else? Oh, whoa, I know that you don't know me, but you're fine, so fine. Whoa, oh, girl,
Ladies, salamat kayo kay kapakasal mo sa simbahan.
treasure, that is what you are. Honey, you're my golden star. I think you can make my wish come true if you let me treasure you. If you let me treasure, oh, oh, oh.
Many more years pa together and sunod si Andre nabagbohon na to atin na.
We'd like to thank the Lord for giving us this opportunity to get married in
In the church. Sugod karon ang tug sa kanturan, ikaw ug ikaw lamang ang akong higugmaan.